Hello and welcome. Welcome to a now classic Commodore 64 and other platform game called Frogger. I will press F1 and away we go. So there's my little frog. And the idea is I have to get across to the other side. Now, then I have to go into those little things. Now these turtles, they have a way of going down. You gotta be careful. Oh, there's a frog on the log, but I can't get it. That's more points. Anyway, I think I can go across here. You never know when these guys are gonna go down. Woohoo! Okay, oh, there's a timer involved, is there? It's all about picking your spot. Picking your spot. Oh, I missed that thing on the log. Oh, well. Oh, I jumped off. Oh dear, that wasn't good. Okay, where is my spot? Right here. Why did I jump there? I meant to move across. Oh dear. I'm as good at these games as I ever was. Okay, got the bonus thing. Got the that. Oh, and there was a fly in the... Oh, I didn't. He's gone. There was a... See, up in the one thing, there was a fly. I could have had him. Oh, well. Right there. There's my spot. There is the frog on the log. And then I should be able to sneak into this last position. Now, this one is tough. But first, I gotta get across the street. And then, that helps. Whew! I made it through the top level, and I didn't die with a... Oh. Now we're going fast. Oh dear. We are going fast. I think I'm going to run out of time. I think that looked like a good spot. What happened? Oh dear. Did I run out of time? I guess I did. Don't go down. Oh, they went down. Okay. Well, that's fast. There's my spot. One, two. I'm screwed. Are we done? Oh. Oh, I didn't. Oh, if I press the fire button, I can pause the game. I did not realize that. Alright, well, I'm going to press F1 again. And then we'll see. Come on, turtles! Yay! Okay, I'm across. Ah, I jumped a little too late. That was useless. That was a bad error. Come on, turtle. Take me home. Oh, there's a fly up there. And I didn't get him. Oh well. Alright, where is my opening? Ah! I had my opening and I blew it. Okay, 1, 2. Got the fly. Oh, there's a crocodile up there. I don't think that's a good thing to get, but I don't know. Oh, I missed. Oh, I was so close. Oh, dear. Turtle. Turtle, take me home, take me home, take... Oh, they went down. Am I dead? I'm not dead. Okay. Right there. Alright, I'll go over here. Oh, they're going down. They're going down. Okay, just one more to get through level 1. I think I have one frog left. Alright, oh, there's a fly there too. Oh, there's a crocodile there now. That kills me. Damn, there was a fly there. Well, that could have gone better. Let's try one more time, see if we can get through level 1. Alright. There's my opening, there's my opening, there's my opening, there's my turtles. There we go, that's one. And now we'll wait for that opening. Oh, there's that frog. Oh no, no! Damn. Missed the frog on the log. Oh, and I jumped off. Oh, I am not doing well. There's the frog. Oh, there was a fly down there. I could have got him. I could have got him. I could have got him. Okay, we'll go for this one. Okay, across we go. Ah! They sunk. I was just about to jump too. Oh well. Oh dear, oh dear, dear. This is not going well. Okay, now the hardest one is left. The hardest one. Down at the far end. I think I have no more frogs after this. So this is it. There is no tomorrow. Get on the frogs. They're gonna drink. They're gonna sink. Oh, I'm screwed. Hey, wait, can I go back? I can go back. I can go back and try again. Woo! Woo! I didn't realize that. All these years and I didn't know that I could go backwards. That makes perfect sense. Okay, now we're on the fast mode. Ah! And I'm dead. Oh, well. Well, that was fun. I'll see what other things I have around to tinker with. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.